Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Presenti, a tool that turned idea and text documents into polished on-brand slides with this AI-powered presentation maker. So it's the kind of tool that automates your presentation with AI. So it will create the slides for you with no hassle. As you can see here, the deal is the same. It will change only the number of the seats. So if you need more seats, you need a more expensive chair. And I'm gonna show you now the tool. Here's the home where you can redesign your slides, generate it with AI, start with a blank presentation, write an outline or generate from a file. I'm gonna generate with AI for the sake of that review. Select the number of slides you want and also the language you want. They have many languages. You can select the auto model or select Gemini 2.5, GPT 5.1 or GPT 5 mini. I'm gonna say I want presentation artificial intelligence. The AI will start to design your presentation. As you can see, it's still generating my presentation. And it's done. I have my presentation here. I'm going to select the theme. I'm going to select this one for the sake of that presentation. You can use custom AI image as well and click on generate it now. The tool is now generating the slides and it's generating the slides with the topic artificial intelligence. The slides are done and it's fully editable. You can edit the slides. Media shape, formula, image, so you can change what you want. Then you can export PowerPoint, PNG, PDF, some slides or all the slides. So now you're gonna try to generate the slides importing a file. I'm gonna upload the file. The tool is analyzing the file. It's analyzing the file. Then I'm gonna select the template. I'm gonna select this new one and click on generate it now. Pretty simple, as you can see. The tool is now generating the PDF, the slides, each one of them, and now I have a new slide. It's possible to create your brand templates, brand fonts, brand colors. Everything is customizable to your brand. Here you click on my designs and then create a new color theme to fit your brand. Upload your fonts and your logo. So that's Presenti. I hope you liked that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.